Hello everyone, my name is Kelly Dagelman and I am going to be doing a series of videos based on different agricultural software platforms that we can use to organize our information, make crop plans, and then take our seasonal data and bring it back into this program to archive and use for analysis. So the one I'm going to start with is Case IH Field Ops Center. What I'll be using for demonstration is a test farm that I'm involved with, so we can share this data and share what we're doing and use it as a tool to teach and show people how these programs work. Also, we'll be using JD Ops Center and some other programs along the way. So how you get started is the basics have to be in place in order for us to build off of them. So that means having field boundaries created to know where that work is going to happen for that field, and then have them named, obviously, and then we can create a crop plan for the season, and then as the season comes in, we will bring in information from this for seeding, spraying, harvesting, and then this will house the information, and then we use that to plan for the next season moving forward. So really, the first thing you need to do is to create your fields and your boundaries, and I have already done that, but on the main page when it comes up, you will see an Add Edit Fields button. From there, it will show the fields that you have if you don't have any. There's a plus button down in the bottom right-hand corner that we can click on. We can enter a field name, we can enter some information for it, but basically you have to enter a name, and then if you want to draw that boundary manually, you can select Draw, and then you can zoom into your field and then basically just draw a square around it. And then from there, you have a name created already and we have a boundary. And at this point in time, we would hit done and it would create that field. So I've already have them in here, so we're not going to do that, but that is how you do it. And then you have a field that is created. So once the field's created, we have to assign some products. So what we will do is we'll go down to products, and then from here we have our list of products that we have in our system that we can use to create plans. So in order to add one, hit the plus button, and then you will have to give it a name. We will just call this test, and this is going to be a seed. And the other information you have to put in is what is the crop type. So for our purposes today, we'll say it's canola. And that's the minimum amount of information that you need to put in there, and hit save. You can also enter a cost for that seed at that point in time, and it will remember that and assign it to any application work, seeding work that comes in, and it will give you a cost for that field, which is very helpful. So I've created some basic products, some seed, durum wheat seed, lentil seed, and then for just some generic fertilizers that I created: nitrogen source, phos source, potassium source. All right, so I'm going to leave it there for the first video. We've learned how to create a field with a boundary, a name, and some basic products so that we can get started. So this will build on to the next video, which will be creating a crop plan and moving forward from there. Everyone have a great day.